What the? What are you doing here?
It's road trip time.
Again?
It's always road trip time. Every day is road trip
Didn't we
day.
do this like a year ago?
I know.
Already?
Who's been saying, I'm ready for a vacation?
I know, but I didn't want to do another road trip, really.
Move over, Bacon, I'll drive.
Yeah. Yeah, miss, I can't drive in Texas traffic.
I just can't drive on the big highways. Get me out in the weeds. I'm good.
Oh, good. We'll go. Okay, here, I'll let you ride the back roads and we'll go nowhere.
Wait, I'm good at Hebron Parkway out here. This is my new friend. I like that road.
Oh, you like
It's got 3 lanes. It's 45 miles an hour. No one's stressing me out.
All right. Well, if we're going to go anywhere, you know where we have to go first?
Buc-ee's.
We can't get there on close to Edie's, so no.
We gotta go to Costco.
Anywhere would be no go anywhere without a Costco. So we're going to go to Costco, I guess, and get some gas.
Maybe we'll run into someone you know there.
That has happened in the past.
Not here, but
no, not here, but at a random Costco. You never know where Phil Meyer might be hiding. Maybe he's behind a bush somewhere. Maybe he's visiting here. I don't know.
Could be.
All right. Well, I got no plans, so I guess we're just gonna have to hit the road and see what happens.
Okay.
I mean, I would like to just completely tune out and shut down and not hear from anybody.
What's the Ringo thing that he says?
Peace and love. No.
No. Who is it that's like?
Peace out, beaches. No. Ringo doesn't say that. I don't think.
No. God, Ringo.
I don't know, but check out, be done, be over with it all. Enough is enough. Let's go off planet.
Off planet.
Call
Bezos.
I'll cash in all my Amazon points. Maybe that'll get it.
Cash in your Amazon points.
I'll cash in my Amazon points, and we can go up in the big penis rocket. You think he'd let us?
Sure, I'm sure you could talk your way into it somehow or another.
I've talked my way into other things, so yeah, I would. So
show up on their doorstep and be like, "Yo,
hey, take us into space.
When's the next shuttle ride?
Take us into space. Let's go. Lift off.
I want to go where Shatner's been."
The Shat. All right. Well.
Donde está los cascos?
We've headed west multiple times, so let's head kind of east.
East-ish.
East-ish.
South-ish.
South.
We end up in Mexico. Have you practiced or Espanol? We could swim there.
It's not Taco Tuesday.
They were just making tacos on Great British Baking Show. From scratch. They made their own tacos.
What do the British know about making tacos?
Not much. I've seen it now.
It must have been a calamity.
They do research because that was something they got.
They research?
Well, you have to research.
Hey, Jose, come here. How do you make tacos? Why do you like your tacos, Jose?
Well, actually, the tacos was the technical bake, so they didn't get to research that. And there was people reading the directions going, what is pico de gallo?
What did they use, like the Taco Bell the box that you get the grocery store to use?
No. They had to make tacos from scratch, pico de gallo from scratch, and they had to make guac from scratch. And they had to cook their little steaks and season them. It's interesting. You should watch the baking show. See, I'm helping you by putting it in your Netflix queue.
Oh.
It's
the stuff you watch in my next
week
haunts me while you're not here.
I know, it's so good. I'm widening your horizons.
My recommendations are all things I would never watch because they involve
Because I watch
food.
2 things on your feed.
Neither of which I would invest my time in. Yeah.
As I've said before, you would be a much happier person if you watched more television like me.
There's no time for television. I don't understand.
Always time for television.
I spent a good third of my life working in television. Why do I need more television?
As the great Jim Halpert said on The Office, what if I wasn't watching my TV, you would worry about me, or something to that effect. There was a great episode where he's like,
his TV.
I have to watch my TV because it'll be sad without me, kind of thing. There's a great episode where he talks about that. He's like, I think Pam asks him like what he's doing. He's like, I'm gonna go home and watch TV. And she was like, really? And he's like, my TV would wonder if I didn't show up and turn it on and be like, hello, television. What's on today? What is the universe throwing in my queue? And that was before there was a lot of streaming when that episode was on, like a million years ago.
Yes, it was the Dark Ages.
It was the Dark Ages before you could, what's the word?
Stream.
Curate your own television needs.
Ooh, that's a word.
Huh?
Curate.
It's a good word.
I'm not saying it's a bad word. Look, it's Taco Bell where the British people went to
They made
learn
their own
baking.
tacos. They didn't have a taco press. They had to take a casserole dish and squish the taco between like baking paper or plastic to make a perfectly round taco. Paul was not happy when the tacos had scallopy edges. Perfectly round.
Lord. All right, well maybe we'll go to Mexico where you can see some street tacos in action where they don't make them perfectly round. They would be badly judged on
Are
the
they
British.
cooking the
Mexican
tacos on
the
hot
street.
rocks?
On the actual street. I don't know. I've never been that far into Mexico, so I don't know. I mean, there's always the possibility.
Everything's spicy there. I don't know that I should go there.
What's wrong with being spicy?
That rubber boot was on the street last night. To be clear, nobody's picked it up. It was there last night.
I missed it.
It's sitting. It's laying on the road back there. I saw it last night. I was like, look, there's a welly in the road.
Maybe the volunteer firemen are coming out to collect money.
It looks like it's just a welly.
It's just a random boot.
A random welly boot
Somebody
that
gave
fell
the
off
road a-
someone's truck.
Somebody gave the road a boot.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. How long?
Das Boot.
Das Boot. That brings me into the U-boat conversation, which I'm not ready to have yet.
We were on a U-boat last year.
We were. That was ran in dry dock.
Does it matter where you go on a U-boat? I mean, it's not like
No,
you can just.
technically, was it sitting in the water?
Yes, it was in the water. It was just attached to land.